Welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see some free online certification courses. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on Instagram and Telegram. I'll give you all the social media link in description. Check it out. Now let's go back to the content of this video. VMEdu. This is the online learning platform which we are going to see in this video. VMEdu is providing 7 free certifications, and we are going to see what are those 7 free certification courses and how to enroll in and how to receive our certificate in this video. So watch till the end and get all the details. So now let's first create an account in VMEdu to view all the courses and certifications available for free. So you can see here login and sign up. If you already have an account in VMEdu, click on login and give your details and log into your account, or else click on sign up and give your details and create an account. So after clicking on sign up, you will be seeing this page. Choose the option join as an individual and give the details like your name, email ID, and choose the free plan option here. Check this box and click on submit. So let me give my details and catch up later. Once you have given all the details, click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will see this registration successful. An email with login credentials has been sent to your registered email. So you will receive an email like this. You will get a username, that is your email ID, and a password like this. So now you have to use these credentials to log into your account. You can see here login, just click on it. And now you have to give your email ID, password and language and click on submit. So let me give my details and catch up later. So now I have created an account in VMEdu and logged into my account. And you can see here free subscription. That is what we chose in the beginning. And if you scroll down, you can see what are those 7 free certifications available. So let us see what are those 7 free certifications. Six Sigma Yellow Belt certification, Scrum Fundamentals Certified, Marketing Strategy Fundamentals, Digital Marketing Fundamentals, Marketing Research Fundamentals, Corporate Sales Fundamentals, Negotiation Associate. So these are the 7 free certifications that are provided by VMEdu. Now let's see the details of each one separately. So you can see here the name, just click on it. So now you can see the details of Six Sigma Yellow Belt certification. You have 1 chapter, 2 high quality videos, 15 test questions and 1 reference material. So you have to take an exam after completing the course. I'll tell you about the exam later. Let's see the detail of other courses now. So for Scrum Fundamentals Certified, you have 2 chapters, 19 high quality videos, 1 helpful study guide, 37 test questions, 10 terms and definitions, 1 illustrative case study, 2 reference material. You can just click on the course name and see the details of each one. Let us see for Marketing Strategy Fundamentals. So for this one, you have 2 chapters, 51 videos, 74 questions. And for Digital Marketing, you have 2 chapters, 55 videos, 52 questions. And for Marketing Research Fundamentals, you have 2 chapters, 35 videos, 32 questions. And for Corporate Sales Fundamentals, you have 2 chapters, 57 videos and 26 questions. And for Negotiation Associate, you have 2 chapters, 45 videos and 27 questions. You can just click on any course that you like, go into the course and you can see all the details, and you can click on chapter 1 and start completing the course. And after taking the course, you have to take an exam for each course we saw here. And you can see here at the left side, My Exams tab, just click on it. So in My Exams, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see all the free certifications. And you will see a button take exam after each course. You have to take the exam in English language or in Espanol, that is Spanish. So you have to take the exam and you have to pass the exam, and then you will receive your certificate. So after completing the exam, you can go to My Certificates tab to view and download all your certificates. So everything will be available in this page. After completing the course and completing the exam, you can just view the certificate and download it directly. So this is the content for this video. We have totally seen 7 free certification courses in VMEdu platform. That is Six Sigma Yellow Belt, Scrum Fundamentals, Marketing Strategy, Digital Marketing, Marketing Research, Corporate Sales, Negotiation Associate. So I hope this one was useful to you guys. So choose anything that you like and complete it. Take the exam and receive a certificate from VMEdu platform. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships, press the subscribe button and the bell icon. You can also connect with me on Instagram and Telegram. I'll give you all the social media link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.